Therefore, and cry and sacra. Therefore, Matse Diaba and cry and sacra. A year over Matanamidu, while resigning, or say, Chronon unwarding Rubo, own to me standing. Why are you running? Charlie, you say Matanamidu resign. Matanamidu resign. He said the job he no go fit do. You get? Matanamidu say the job he no go fit do. Say no go fit do the job. He no go fit do MPP for him. Mo de mo gu mani mu ase o. Ye ka part abanyi ba power na ko for static kan na we nkoye mo hwe manu nya. The corruption has been planned for 30 years. You Matanamidu, can you fight corruption that has been planned for 30 years? Corruption and for transfer for 30 years. I'm plan to be we are Ghana Sika. I'm plan 30 years. No, the plan is to be we are Ghana Sika. Obi oba bem na the Sika dan account him 45,000. Na se oba bem na the Sika dan account special prosecutor did the bank statement to amount na 15 million cedis nkwa dollar wo me 4 million. In law, there is nothing like unexplained wealth. Like what? Nipo na kutu esika to account ni mo. Obi eni mo. Say, woko banker, who could esika won for ID income. So it is very easy to find out who paid the money into the guy's account. They know. And the issue is that we are comfort. We started saying this in the Kwame class, and then Matanamidu now put in the bar special prosecutor and were resigning. He can't stand it. We are comfort. Now, you see, Musumo no didn't move to Nipaso. You try Bible more. Which now the general said, Obi by or Juma within 2.5 years, na 15 million Ghana than account. We can scale boom 45 million. As a public servant, Oba Baimuno within 2.5 years, no 45 million than account. What did Facebook it himself for more for Nana?
Uzunya bindi.
Nya ya kwa kansa asem na MPP ni buafu. Papa no digis kan o ma wubi. Odi papa no no o ma wubi. O ja say, who na Facebook it himself for more for Nana. For more for Nana, na obi dey 45 dan account no. 45 million, 450 billion o Ghana say dan account no.
Ubo calculator kwa na beji.
We calculator obo this one use computer o to make boss as can.
Ya bubo e kikan bo media me boss esi abeyi.
Uti oze ye cry fire me bet to my me the sanana bet me the 45 billion ni bi atom account ma na fi ya start ya kasa obi anya kohwini o papa na ye konfo dia bi enti asana me kan ye unya kohwini o papa na ye konfo
neza ko konfo anka ni ye
en papa ya konfo anka ne
kamanya sika
enka wanya bi nko so bia bi ma ho
nyese bia
na issue ni say ochina wutie mu for more for Nana obi wi 45 billion dan account mu no ochina wo mabeka ne mabeka kire wo ma say omo papa mmobra enye say wan mmobra o nye no we nya bi anwia
ya ne bibiri o nim say bra na yedimi mu sika na ye nya ya
we nya bi anwia it just wan mmobra
asa wuni wunya ansam
na me sorry ahimaachi sorry mfiri medem say me kodi politician echi na bia obi account mu na your friend is saying 15 40 400 na 450 billion
na
account
go kwa so sa
akwa na otehwe na na do ka ho na owu ye no I see na yerete man 7 abi you know I see in why be man 7 who they care about that he die 450 billion do obi account mu I see wewu
na no wo pe dan ha ne dan rent so ye kura me hu say wo suma ye pe kaka
wewu me say I see wewu na yere ne ma wo ho obi 450 billion aka do team of Facebook say for more for Nana me kwa me class me ni ati gugu omo ye japadi no omo frɛ me na me be gyan say me be ten say mo ye nyina ba say be bu man ti why say wo be bu na o be wi aye dia and the brand entrance ne yan kan me be di wachi na wo ye yi na da chi me manka say wo manka nche me masa me papa mmobra mo mama dwen ye adwuma wo mo mama dwen ye adwuma sa de na amo ye no obi baba mu 2.5 years or 450 billion and na there ya wade no hunu nyan say Matanamidu no ye ngja no ma ne investigation no ya man no kwan ma ne ye because krono no ya planning the 30 years Kono ya plan no 30 years that all. Akufo-Addo there. Look, me and Nana when I meet him one-on-one, I'll tell you are a disappointment. Me, I'm disappointed in you. Because I do in Fatano. Papa no, together then Akufo-Addo or person who no deal. I didn't say Papa no, that's no number. Ghana high tie obi wi akoko, obi wi abanchi, obi wi abodia, otumi ko prison 10 years. Obi wi 10 Ghana no ko prison 10 years. Akufo-Addo abanya abayi. Ebe pon corruption no. Obi sika we nyina dan account mo nam fee free. Sa mo be kaya. Long time ago nam start make PPA. And snake sika bi PPA. Omo akoto anwa bi. I mean, I know all of these things.
And how
every before be nyanya so for me nyansa ko mo hwe information ko be bisa me. 2 years ago na make so makoto anwa cocoa board divisi akoto omontanse anwa no na minimade we nyina de daada wo. And then you are Ghana ha mente. Na minim de daada papa we o yes ade nyina na minim de daada ni fie we Port Hills ho. This is me I know long time. And Akufo-Addo is aware. Akufo-Addo is aware of everything that is going on. What's your ne agofa e friends e Japa. You see a Japa deal. You be fa Ghana mineral reserve. Mineral na yeko enye Ashanti region no Western region yetu. Yeah do tun for kan e Japa no. You go bizarre. Western no for ya de omo kan. Ghana resource mineral resources in nyina bi Western region. So omo no omo kwan ye papa. Martina me do now within the bar says special prosecutor say or number prosecutor. When we say the issue is that the criminals are the people who have appointed him.
So
how can he prosecute anybody? How can he prosecute anybody? Now you're the arm you're the pen arm robber. You're what is to be the pen aqua arm robber that. You will be what is to be the pen arm robber that.
It won't be that.
It's highly impossible. This government is a disappointment, is a disgrace. Because Akufo-Addo, the incorruptible, hey, me, Akufo-Addo, or you'll be crank or something. Because me hear fan of Honsa, they be about an and be on Facebook be any. Because me maintain me. Yankopon say, hey, we shall back to no condon or hell. But David Cohill be too. Echo fan on the name me, a Kunu Yankopon say, the best friend. My Akufo-Addo is my best friend. Yeah, I know me hear from oh nana de na ne nkrofo no oka ho anado ka ho ni bibia ekoso onim and it is a disappoint onim my onini and don't chance obi aforce no obi de ahmasa no kon
ebi obi na ehise no
onte obi dise no onte sa Akufo-Addo ma me chwa de collaboration ne bae Dr. Nyatro letter command Nanado say give me the power to change this place because Dr. Nyatro wanted that power to act on his own. Send a bear and another phone to me, my home, so give me the power to change this whole thing for you. But will he give him the power? Only what is going on? Me na me de let him go to president. I will make cancer man. Ghana for no me na me de command another one office. What's hameti ha? I was my cancer maker. Me na me de let him go to Nanado. Will he give him the power? No, because Nanado knows everything that is going on. So why will we say you are not part? Opinion alternative enkware na nka ya kana nka reho a won ka ho
na se abo bi be wu fi achi a efi ewura mu din pamu da
na obi odi be dey apem
because ye can
corruption ya planning for 30 years say ye be wi amo ya fi the Ghana force ya ye hu se bombo ye bad no nya be wi ayen ye mamu wi ayen afi the so the we mo so yen hwe ene ya so ahwe na da we try your luck enye obayi balu ketua try your luck opa akoto balu le fa ko fi na se o so fu 31
kesi
unya da
31
be yi kete try your luck nya de papa nso me hwe kaka na me a me ka asema kire mo se we ko sei se mo fa na ko si ai
wa o ka no kure no
also be protect public person me and citizen me and spectator citizen yan wow ye wow to so mo fa na ko si ai mungo gu na was mungo charging of crossing spreading falsehood causing fear and panic and spreading one and me dey do mo dey ma pem na ye ni nyina na maka on Facebook go it me no mun tumi dia goda yes that's on go church mo page bi so omo hwe me omo find way o be deal with me physically personally what happen on mo for the chat screenshot no send me the MPP for no ade tie ya me ya na ma ye di ni se penny phone be be myself omo ko ka kire say John eyo mko bisa women organizer mko bisa women keje mko bisa o ko se John se John na me kasa se John ka kire se me na me see plus en ya de no ye no Obi on Facebook. Obi on Facebook your friend no. And penifo no be pay maso because omu say krono no dose dodo.
Director, and if I'm back na me power cho.
Krono no dose wa kronfo. Matina me do no wadan mu eja no. Want to be no mu nya adwuma. How can you fight?
They are never yan say people dey yin na ye o. Na so say ade o te care message driver na driver care sa. Catch no wan kun.
Obi be can say na e plus na Ufi MPP say meja MPP ko NDC wo na chese wan kasa na wo ye criminal. Ufi MPP akọ NDC always the same thing or Ufi NDC aba MPP the same thing. Baby awo wo no e da say wo be ja wo mienu nyina na wa fa wo agbe because wo mienu nyina wo nsakra. Ana say wo betam be wona na wa criticize you. But we no dey wo to me ni wo ntena criticize you wo ntina match na me do okọ no.
Ntina wo so director ko.
Aba quick. Me dey me ntimi ni wo ye ntimi ni wo ndi agro. Omo ya akronfo e na krono no enya krono a ya plan ne se ye ba pa we ne hu se sika bi o nti ye nkodi bio ade na omo ye no ya ade a ya plan no for years. One kind special prosecutor report on the Japan. Go and read it. It's the woman of the special prosecutor and by go and read the report. It is a well calculated in 24 organ omo kan kuro Ghana penifo nkan okure. Se Ghana penifo kan okure anko mo kan ye Japan report ni wie ye no. Omo nyina betena se no ma ka se da bi. Oman ye nyina ye dia.
Ase kudifa.
Ye nyina ye dia. Wotin futu na ye atwene Jonas ka kire won. Wotin futu be wotin no like ayi ka twemu a wo kata woni a wo bia just 5 minutes later. The promo for nana.
Yeah, me yakura ne say kwa mi ntwa no say
MPP there MPP enye party funu MPP party.
Na say o me ni ye no. E ho ne ye.
Ne wo ho say na nya papa. Ni nkofo nka no kure. Sa MPP wei. Enya MPP.
Ne say o pesa o ka say what take care pesa driver na driver care sa.
Anya na ta ka una beji ama driver fofo. Wei na so obi make sure say wei na ko. Sa MPP wei particular one wei o say ko. This particular MPP wei obi ani MPP as a party any problem. Ne wo ho say no enya MPP no nie. Wei o say ko. Wei nkofo bi na akon mo abom. No me mean so be wi o man ni. What does say? No, your back. Nana do I have said it over and over. He's a very dishonest person. I'm telling you. Obi on Tiatia, you can go and die. Nana is very dishonest. I've said it over and over. I will say it again. I'm going to say, Tama JJ, Jan and National JJ, guy, no beer, slow JJ, no. Nana do organize it, Nana do news, yes, you've been doing the age, no, so I cry, yes, you've organized it again. Yeah, what they are channel. Ghana for no, Nana because of the age, you know. Almost fair no. Yes. And when the other woman, no problem, wholesale price, they don't know. You're the retail and can no.
Next one no criticize you be.
Ba.
Yeah,
per se yes or no.
And yes, you are to say one. Said no,
I am going for say. And I was years Tamara is your president, you know. Nana was one of his fierce critics. You come prepo and say and then you be do your 40s. We say we am karamu mu ade. Na president ye nene nkasasa. Uni masama na do mo cover Rollins no. From then times almost start here. You just start here dey amoso. Certain kind of democracy ni we asi o. Na mo of vim to do what you want to do. Mo kasa boys na ba this an ye hu for. Ye wo vim chen mu. When you young boys, mo MPP for na mo party headquarters. Mo kra na mo ye mehi. Come demo what's on what came for more 450 billion will be account with the party headquarters. I could you 1,000. Nobody who are the amount. It's on our team for more for here. What kind of crying and coupon be shall? Maybe giant people for HD, maybe no problem. Mon cannot correct. Mass, Messi party, no MPP party, and your way. We MPP party, Bow MPP. Ghana for be brave MPP as President before Kawophobia as MPP, so me make your mind swatch because Ghana for no be brave MPP. But also Ghana for no boom na omu two high MPP way this particular one.
New patriotic.
Abba, where you new Armed Robbers United Kromfon kwa. That particular MPP way.
That's MPP here.
Oh, we can afford to buy the ascend to make us MPP and MPP party, papa.
Driver now will treat VIP.
No, but your man is say no license kill. ne license ye
etutu so
someone de nemu mekota by heart
nessa driver careless nessa one kasa
obviously nipa no ma backing vocalist no hu ye na hiche me America sa no
people don't know person can just say yo but your mom o ye there
why na nim nyansa wo memu ha obeka say MPP ye party papa
but driver
say die na wo ho no enya o see tu free ho enya
the passengers na wo bu no and
na so passengers no mo tim ye do mo konya accident na
ji so mo pe mo nko a mo ring car won na me say car number kill license driver no you do soon sawamu no
but I didn't resign
ya full so say fa form who the far house ye say mate ni ji ska cross wo nya no ma ne ba nyeje say ye ko fitamu a
o hata we ni go what's up ani pa I was saying the part obi a hu yen he say no ya backup no backup vocalist no or ya fucking too backup vocalist no but I'm do that resign no ya ka bibia kire ma muntie mu bu my picture na you see the reason why me I will continue saying that Nanado is a very dishonest person. Oh. And I will say it.
But I like him.
Who said you have to hate somebody to know that he's dishonest? You don't have to hate somebody to know that he's dishonest. Who said me I don't like Nanado? And I will some will love us. But the fact of the matter is that, so who Nana, every dinner TV so, a cambrofo, and the COVID-19 situation, and the Japan, and no come from the dead. I dear Bachino, none in Crawford on your Monamano, organize the idea because in any pay baby. On Kuria, Babacan, on Kanokre.
What do you find say?
On Kanokre.
Says you'll be the scam as this diamond. One my carpenter's Fosca, one my mates in Fosca. Na so one year ya one kind of plan as a carpenter for name.
Carpenter no men and do mobile. What for carpenters on your man on ya? No to me a permanent. No, me na me for carpenter.
Was I but at you?
Nipa me say, Oba be catch no, and the base, and the bay is sure. Nancy, I say, we are cancer then. A Mahama can be used a name or Mubu, which I say, or Mu Nanado. Eh? Nanado won't come correct. Ghana for one, what come before? Almost there. With the situation of the dead, no, I found me and family. Menanado, beer, Nanado to me, never be and can't be said, 2016 or a campaign or who a plus one or man is car. What me can be done. And to me come again, me come straight, one number called the discount. Now, mother so called the discount, one of them shows some back as well. Nanado to me, never be and can't be so brain is car. Never. Into me come again, me come me my until I see a corner cool, and I don't come correct. Chefam on come correct. I will see you to me cut some here. What I said, now don't your papa won't pay. And here, but Nanado so on come correct, and maybe not catch and said that you have lied. Remember to me, you said you were coming. Why you lied? You didn't come.
That's all.
Yeah, of course. On come correct.
Who will be party because una will directly say, Mutai pie.
Adia ni ukoye ya
wa uti mu ukura pan ho wu ni trophy yes tie na uti mu no tie na ejo
say Kwame A+ ya market de bia na Kwame A+, no problem me na me here most special prosecutor me say duma no ntumi no mo here eno so Hayford 2016 na un di MPP un MPP ni who is MPP ni? Landa, you know be MPP. Everybody where we know be MPP. We where we dey work. Tell me one person. We where we dey work. Tell me one person where know be MPP. Tell me one. They take your contract.
No.
They take your contract. No. They take anybody's contract. No. If you go talk, they say A+, you are doing a contract into the boyfriend. All the boys where they work. Everybody know vote for MPP.
Kwame, me so kura don mo MPP o.
Mon kanu credit can na mo your consent. And I look at young canoe, Nana don't mean Casse, PPA issues are bay, or Nimhu, a Japan banner and discuss it. On what plan is so be reaying. It is a planting, so be reaying. MPP party no nkofo bi hijack no ma plan say omo be nwia yen
24/7 the system is not working.
No more obi ogo the one.
Oh no no more the obi anim no.
Obi I saw you no more.
MPP party party papa MPP party party papa. The only problem is that near what was say yeah
Sisubio
MPP party papa na near what was say you know so nkrofo bomb bodin obia ma ne bre no muntu ne wo hoi free ho.
Nice, we have a VIP is a collection of cars by more owners, but a driver particularly big car and I say one chance of one the passengers net jai
as I say Swami first also to see Mr.
Swami assembly here.
Also mutu
Swami assembly
we MPP new we MPP new but also no mutu chairman sabonsu and when you your man no dey out to say Swami had the MPP tebeto am omo ye Japan from na hu futuru what magazine na hu futuru.
I was less than 20 no me 30 years I stood up for Swami. Yes ya kwan tete mpese me politics dey. Yes ya kwan ya Swami o e wo graphic mu makofa graphic na ba mo kire ya kwan ni ho ade ya e na Hayford ba Jessica Hayford
on person mo bribe
wo ko bribe me so mo office ho MP what is one when if you I don't want to talk there who can Japan sama what there to aso na kan there na I don't want to come inside no problem just talk of Ghana I don't want to say
Muntie MPP party no in penny for papa bebre wom yeah me some more information on how MPP for na catch them you for be pre one me cause no mo pe
they be am disappointed in you
what I say omo mpe na wo de wo te kwan ho na wa no yabe come here class and na dey be all complaining no intimate na me do wa resign ya agent contract intina wa resign aban ne nye aban bia mo mamu ha omo ya akronfo se we da ebi nsi da and na problem a wo ne say krono de aban bia bebe bia krono bebem but e was say leader no krono no ba pe no aso nipa no mu eno na kire say you are fight na yankopon bo wi ase ne ma ba kwa be say ne garden yankopon ne ma ba kwa be it not just a heaven crown problem or and there is no sensible person over town say there can't be problem in Akufo-Addo's government.
Next over mu anka everybody international che but
me put the yan na me kan for issue ni say wo MPP ni no ma me come asem issue ni say aban wo ye dan yan asorobofo no bebu man wo ni asorobofo bebu man kra Lucifer betumi apiem enti no say wo ye ho say nyame Lucifer ko ye say okọwe na me apoi ene pam no so o betena ehe Lucifer okọwe nyame apoi no so eye o Adam we apoi no ene ye pam Lucifer ba efi heaven ene ye tu Adam so fi garden no mebo Akufo-Addo yes Akufo-Addo I know clear agent we hu ade ase ekoso no say Japan ade Akufo-Addo ni is part of it he knows it it's a huge disappointment yet me for your trust and show mu na won yes ade no na nkofo ya wontumi nka hwe you are part of it I was say your wife kunu ni me ade aduro yeso o man na ye obi ade onim me si onim
okay no me sake makura ba ko say wa ju obi moto sika
o man na ye obi ade o Tama Rollins no ni ade o mu take over mu ye kuno mu ye 29 31 ye do 43 o enti yempo de ya chewo ye kasa keke Tama Rollins no o mu ye sa no mu no mu ni internet o mu ni even a friends mobile phone yen to me kasa yen go kasa keke ye kasa ye better Facebook just to talk eno kwa ye nkofo problem yes wo sorry I was say who Rollins as a Rollins a guy ama kwa be plus me nkotwe tu o me nkoye eku me nkoye bio me kasa keke wo kwa me plus be kasa do so who Rollins how feel no Jimmy say Rollins obe Rollins oye ku a obe ye head of state na brother na wabo we as
no nya agree
eso who Rollins na e free fan no nyom sis no me small boy so but no control mine yanje ye kasa youth na won normal ban kasa keke wo kasa enya kwakwafo na be ka che o se yedi o wa wunu a young person na na hu futuro no a obre no no be ka che wo kasa be
se ahemfo ne adefo enam from ne nkwatete aponko so
na wo yo hene wo mamu ha ejapa report by wakan bi unim ne ekọ as what sign so omu ye hypocrite depending for okrom ha no omu ye penny bonny o da say omu ye penny bonny eye Japan so wan ba ye obi animu eso o twa ma president abana akwachi ano o ma penny wa ya ade pa na se me ko tema akwa bi be kire sekre ha bona mahama si ye no o ya ade pa we si ha bo na me se onya to onya ne fa so wo so normal thing.
Yes.
But when I can't say, with the taxpayers' money, we see how much. We
have they count 30 years.
We be also. It may can't say why idea. Now we are henny. On pound walk room, we are penny, we are a leader. Now, one penny about winning send your cost for me, and yet
24/7.
The system is not working.
24/7.
We be chance. What kind of sign? Oh, you are good for the dear. I book what I had. Why have free SHS? Free SHS, I put on the Sika baby, and not the bay free SHS. And young Sika near free SHS. And young taxpayers' money. I'm going to near Ventura. And as I say, 24 hours, no free SHS or no free SHS.
Nessa, you want to tell us that
we have free SHS in we have free SHS in Yenga, no Brian kind of
basic thing that
why a free SHS. It's Yenga, say free SHS, me and country. We are kind of
who to Muta or Baby Hospital, to see hospital, and need.
That be also free SHS into Yenga for the moon, yes, and then crop on moon, and Yakania.
And a premier achievement.
Free SHS achievement. The Mama crowd could soon now. They are buying tickets. You are going to be tax. Let me free SHS now. You are the tax. If you are member tax, can remember Kobe.
Achievement.
Now, what's your memo? I won't for pressure and two crop away so. No moon sacra, what you know, moon, die, Jimmy, what's that? And no more Ghana, yet to make commission a co-port near Quaker co-port. Near commission, I hospital bed. Near commission. Na obi ani age the better no man na ye ati na do no ko no me kama gbe akire mo sa
achievement is say control to meet ba ko no afre no we are going to make you great no yet ni atani ni pa no
ma hwe mo ba se ne to ne wi
yet tani ni pa na afre di wa free
airport
me say am for hidden talent shisha o mo tie wo
ameka sam ne jero o kon some prison na home na say bi just fan crofo na sound mo live na ebi say obi ase obi am beka ade nti ade ne ba prison na say on beka kirewa na say obi wo 450 billion as a public servant in 2.5 years only be scan if you better account na say o man pani wo pema na say o to me bi sa na hwe a o mobo na say my 7 boys be 30 something ade nti a police for na be akwachi o yakwachi o ma de o moti sport na bisa police force mo kwen no o mo se o makwachi o mo no wi na se mo ko no mo ti o mo no wi ana o mo se da bi na ba ko na wi che ne boto na mo hu na wi che ne boto mo fo no nkwe o mo se da bi o mo nyina e so 20 ya chi ni pa ni nyina do nyina ekogu but crime officer no
planning coup omo planning conspiracy
crime officer no my 7 crime officer no correct until now say we dey young forget ya some no nko how can you just go and arrest people na me besides me I am me kochina ho bio me bam kochi boys no maybe she we
tu omofo
me she we o but o me na fofo enti me kochina ase na ye omom to nya no wi o enti no sam me na me ba so me hu so obi anu wi te mo ba say boys atena ase ti ye be ti omo mo ti omo se ti mo se na wi she ba ko botom mo do nyina ko bum o ma mo ni kamafo a obehu ana o da
na say the talent o the bibia ya ko resist no
mo ni kamafo a we ni so beti wo no na o da prison ye do ko remand we now cover for them 10 years. Go for them 15 years. Because only come for. So obi na omemu ha. Or within 2.5 years, so 15 million Ghana, 4.something million dollars, 400 and something 45,000 euro. Ni nyina go on account ni. Obia nkan hwe. But boys go deal. I say see that you. Go for bubefu. Yes. For bubefu no man e bufu na eba
tie bi story bi wo adoma chede so mun ko ba bia
yes o mun nyina o mun dey wait your life
in politics
yes
we call the politics
e wa pan ya politics o ba pan ya konfo into no wo hu MP ne ba na hwe obi ti say boy ya na say na ngofo kan say o small boy and say me boni o small boy we are small boy
ye hu
we are small boy
project mu akese
and there was a buying about power. Yen general brass sports say my call election man and never have power my just a young to not just a channel marbobra. What's the party headquarters come do?
Media look at so many
what's the party headquarters come do? For 12 years. For 8 years, what the party headquarters, what tries to put power. Power. Obi abeyes minister said then you into who person man another form on amode Jimmy and what Jimmy.
Omo to nsuo we no to 13, it's 15. Okoton a 1 cedi a, maybe 2 cedis. Na wo to nsuo we ma ko 10 pasa. Enipa 150 no. Afa no nya 10, onya 20 Ghana ato. Wo ton ba ko bia 2 cedis. Na say nipa we sensuo fa no anase bibi to no ai policy ben na wo ma wo a wonya ya ban aduma mu masem ne ye ka no ya mu masem
abi na wo ko be policy no obi wo 450 that account of policy 400
wa wo tie ti no me no mo de na mo bo
I saw no almost na team for more for na
se no ka de ebi mu di ani mu na masa se me ba o na me de na anya me de ti ben kasa
for more.
Because we have some of the youth.
45 billion every our account.
Youth
45 billion every our account.
We have some of the youth
every our account.
Who can do more things.
One and cancel if you die a bow, we ask about no 10 billion that out as a form. Sika will bush up where if you tell a Don Diego de Azambuja, a ball member. We suppose come when you know
how many years?
2.5 years.
And what the
a 45 million Ghana. Do the 145 million Ghana. 2 years. Divided by
30 months.
No. 2 years.
So 2 years yet.
24.
24 and 6 months.
Okay, 2 years.
Divided by 30 months.
30 months.
81 months to be a sky when you are near divided by 30. Never day, mammy.
I know divided by 30. It's 1 month to be 1.5 million.
It's divided by 30. 24 days.
Divided by 30.
24 days.
Divided by 30 years.
So, okay, divided by 30. Day be only
50,000.
500 million.
Every day,
500 million.
Every day, every 1 day, 24 hours, be only 50,000.
In Ghana, see you $1 there, no.
Every day, be a Ghana Papa na one account. Every day, be a means that every day, be only 50,000. 50,000 every day. We are Jimmy Ford for more. Every day, be a what's the party headquarters on what's wrong? Every day, be 50,000 a day.
Men are Papa near politics and be mate, no. Say Tinebi, say I said to me, dear Ben, come on and vote number vote to our
now, so Obima free SHS. Obima free SHS, yeah? Now we back to school free. Me man say there, Japan where am I? They say there, me back to school free. School. Yes, come here. Some don't come here. Higher, I make you more. School for friend me chance man my dear serew mom wo ha but me say you come on we dey tell say na media to say them for bia baby some school fees and because school wo free your man school free no your man free school no obi nya 50,000 every day 500 million every day anopa odanyane a to enumere onya 500 million enye wo so do wa bin edi agro the GPSHS na we ye nipa ba ko aban appointees we ye nyina no emu ba ko asem na ye kan yo what you say am free SHS woman free SHS na we wa 500 million de bia to the gugu aban adwuma nyina abom na hwe no munya na calculate hwe say is it wet and to na wo kokoma we ti party headquarters mo
nese wo ba so je sa ansa na ba ko mo so kan bibia ehwe be nyankyere nesa
do we can say A+ na abotre he MPP ni bi onima me do ya almost mom de bia ona say de wo beba na me yeyew MPP ni bi onima beba me chen say na A+ me no me ayi me ko hu we na say me no nkasa wa bodam
me kura de mba ye kwa makendi
unu me be kasa me nya 50,000 de bia me nya 500 million me nya kurasi ni o say wo ye kurasi ni na say okofo ba say ye bebu ma na so be wia no mu be wi o man no mu wi o ba ka chem se me nya abotre wa bodam
Ghana city afa na better create euro
na da che wo ma ka chem me ase me o mo papa am
take dollar no man dollar no so do
yeah we Ghana city the penny calculate you
dollar no so afa na ma yi me ka ma fa me calculate am the dollar there masa 5.6 Korean
na wuni problem yeah wuni issue no Donald Trump wuni say Donald Trump yeah Donald Trump America unemployment will form and no be pre ko form America a friend say omo economy no e very good but America for to abeti
improve omo tie COVID no ko sa ma akura bia $1,000 a month
yeah 20 an mo steady no man kweti obi person fixing ho in such a way say in the next 100 years common another what the whole team for
na wonu ma ko ti omo de tutia no ba ko omo so otukwa bia no hotel an o sa da no tua no ho ka wo no
obi aya na adwen say no we the minor chance na obey in such a way say in the next 100 years no common the only negotiation da what the other for mo one mo ba man me de obi no betuma from the market obi ni ho say me very straight obi ni ho that is a party ya na grofo ka na say you dey bia oka na why na me nkasa we BB party omo mbele Facebook na omo penny for obi na market obi ni betuma so office apo
na dollars
every day be $20 million no be tram your office no
every day be $5,000 according to the projection every day be I will save $5,000 every day
we be tram your office no me be kasa gaza me be ekurasi ni me man ka say be hwe po na efe pa wo say chance wo wini ba ona me metina yo ti me pe po ahwa ka me ma hawo ka me ko say Charles Beach yeah akronfo